Squidward,
What now, SpongeBob?
Patrick won't give my Play-Doh back to me.
Oh, SpongeBob, you have to learn to share.
No, I don't even want to share. My toys are my toys. They belong to me.
Oh, SpongeBob, there's something you don't see.
Patrick's got the Play-Doh.
Patrick's got the Play-Doh.
Give me back my Play-Doh.
Patrick's got the Play-Doh.
That's not fair. What am I supposed to do?
Hang on, sweetie, this calls for you.
Hello there. Who is this?
This is something you don't want to miss. Patrick's got the Play-Doh.
Patrick's got the Play-Doh.
Patrick's got the Play-Doh.
Patrick's got the